A side hustle or side gig simply means you're taking on additional work outside of your regular job. Having a side hustle can be a great way to earn some extra income, and how much income you make in your side hustle depends on what you put into your side hustle. In today's podcast episode, I'm covering some of the top side hustles you can jump into to help you make money in your spare time. Each side hustle has different requirements and levels of investment. Most side hustles are beneficial for you due to the flexibility, and if you enjoy what you're doing, it's a great way to make extra money. When you evaluate your availability, skills, and your income needs, you can almost instantly start making money with a side hustle. If you've been wondering which side hustle would be right for you, listen in to see which type of side hustle would work best for you and allow you to move closer to the lifestyle you're looking forward to. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, make sure that you're aware of these side hustle opportunities. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business, and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements. Let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post a link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. If you've been thinking a side hustle is just what you need, but you're unsure about the options that you have available, you're in the right place. Today, I'm covering some of the most popular side hustle options. Many have a low investment and create an opportunity to meet a high demand need. Others will allow you to utilize the skills that you already have to make additional money. Let's start with some of the side hustles that require you to drive. You could use your car to drive others around when you're doing a side hustle such as Uber and Lyft, or maybe you'd rather deliver food or groceries with a side hustle service like DoorDash or Uber Eats, Instacart, or Shipt. You'd need to have a driver's license and insurance as well as other requirements, but if you enjoy driving and helping others, this may be a great side hustle for you. In most cases, you could earn approximately $15 per hour or more when you include your tips. If you like having the opportunity to take care of others, you might want to look into babysitting or even pet sitting if you love to be around animals. Both have options for you to find jobs online when you use care.com or Rover or Wag. Once you set up your profile, you're able to see the opportunities that are available for you locally, and again, you can earn approximately $15 to $20 per hour. If you have space available to rent out, whether it's your home or a storage unit, you could turn these areas into money. You could try out being an Airbnb host or sign up for Neighbor to turn the space that you already have into cash, especially if you're in a highly populated location or if you live in a tourist destination. With this option, you get to set the amount that you want to charge. And speaking of Airbnb, did you know that you could be an Airbnb experiences host? If you're familiar with your area and you know all the best places to hang out, eat, and see, you could create an Airbnb experience for others to experience. What a neat way to use the knowledge and expertise that you have in your life to share with others. If you have a passion for teaching, you could be a tutor either online or in person, or you could teach English with a program like VIP Kid. Teaching could also move you into the realm of being a personal trainer, or you could even create an online course to teach others something that you're skilled in. The online learning space is growing considerably year over year, and you might want to carve a piece of this pie out for yourself. There are plenty of great platforms to hold your course on so that it's not only easy for you to put your course out there for others, but they're easily able to maneuver the platform and learn everything that you have available for them. What if you have a particular item that you're ready to sell? This may be a craft or even baked goods. You can utilize local farmers markets, or if you're ready to move into the online space, you could use Etsy or eBay to help you showcase the items that you have to sell. There are many services you could turn into a side hustle that are in demand as well. Take, for instance, lawn care, house cleaning, and even laundry services. Again, with these services, you get to set your pricing and hours of availability. I've heard of people making lots of money doing laundry for others. The key here is to make sure that what you're offering is something that others need, want, and are willing to pay for. I'm sure there are many of you listening today that would love to have your laundry done for you and returned to you clean, fresh, and nicely folded. Am I right? If you're interested in doing services like these, again, you can look into care.com, Laundry Care, or even TaskRabbit to get started. One of my favorite side hustle options is to use the skills that you currently have to start a side hustle as a freelancer. When you're a freelancer, you get to decide which services you'll be providing, as well as which clients you want to work with. You could start your freelancing side hustle out by telling everyone that you know that you're doing freelance work on the side. Some of the most popular freelancers are bookkeepers, virtual assistants, transcriptionists, website designers, social media, graphic design, copywriting, marketing, and consulting such as software consulting. You get to decide on your earnings potential when you're the freelancer, and you could easily start out with $20 or $25 per hour and grow to over $100 per hour. You can also join websites such as Fiverr and Upwork to get additional work as well. Overall, I recommend that whenever you have a side hustle, you try to get clients on your own rather than through an online service. But when you're just getting started, it may be beneficial for you to utilize some of the different websites I mentioned in this podcast. Working with solopreneurs and side hustlers is a passion of mine. I really enjoy helping them see the potential that they have and how profitable their business can be. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or you're already making money with your side hustle, I'd love for you to experience these same benefits when you work with me. I'll help you with any questions that you have regarding your solopreneurship or side hustle. You can either sign up for a consultation session with me by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button to schedule a call, or if you're ready to make sure that your side hustle is profitable for you, join us in the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. In the Profit Lab, I help you ensure that your side hustle is more profitable so that you can keep that additional money in your pocket. We'll help you make decisions, generate revenues, and create a life that you can enjoy. I walk you through not only understanding the profitability of your side hustle, but also how you can create offers and increase your sales. By taking control of your business finances, you can create the profitable side hustle that you're striving for and meet the side hustle goals that you've set to achieve. We prioritize and work on the essential tasks in your business, help you make decisions, and generate revenue while creating a work-life balance that you can enjoy. Where you are right now in your side hustle journey is the perfect place for you to join us. And if you're ready to start, don't let thoughts about the perfect offer, confusion about your pricing, or the fact that you're still working for an employer stop you. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. You can join us by going to financialadventure.com/profit and take advantage of our limited time founding member pricing. Generating revenue and increasing profits requires you to have the right mindset and accountability so that you can get results. This is what we do inside the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. And it's perfect for you if you're a solopreneur or you have a side hustle and you're ready to be more profitable in your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I help business owners just like you who know it's time to do something different because what you've been doing in the past isn't getting you the results that you want. We'll make sure that you understand your business finances, your next steps, and follow through with the vision that you have for your business so that you can truly enjoy your business. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.